Hi, this is the OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off NFC on this device. So open first the settings app, then tap to connection and sharing, and here you'll see NFC option. Just tap here on the switcher to activate NFC or to turn it off, and you'll see here that when NFC is activated, you'll see here the NFC icon first, and here you could change the payment method if you get another apps, for example. And also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here NFC option. Click on this option to activate NFC or to turn it off by this way. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.